Hey everyone, this is Sal from Geek.com. I'm here with the Belkin Play Max wireless router, and this isn't as exciting as some of the other products we look at on the YouTube channel, but I did want to take a quick look at it, which has got some cool technology and some useful features. Just to get everyone up to speed, the Play Max and the other new wireless routers are designed to be other new wireless routers from Belkin are designed to be easy to use and easy to install. So Belkin made a lot of changes to make things more user friendly and specifically more consumer friendly. So the new line is called the Surf, the Share, the Play, and the Play Max, and they're priced in that order, basically from $49 up to, I believe this is $149, and this is now Belkin's highest end router. And as you move up the ladder, we'll see if we could see that. So the Surf, forget about the basic, we're not going to be talking about that. The Surf is just your simple wireless end router. The Share, it's a little bit more complex. What it does is it gives you a USB port. The Play, it gives you the Video Max and Video Mover, which are enables you to play video and music over the network a little bit easier. And then finally we have the Play Max, which is your high-end wireless end router. It's you can see it's dual band, maximum speed, 300 megabits per second, maximum coverage. The Play is also dual band, but the Play Max, it gets a 2 USB slots on the back and a gigabit internet switch. All the other ones are just 10/100. So let's just open it up, and also the Play Max has built-in bit torrenting, which you can see right here. Video Max HD Bit Boost, which is basically just a QoS, pretty simple stuff, and Torrent Genie, or Torrent Gene. I don't know if that's a typo, if that's what it's supposed to be. But anyway, that just means there's built-in torrenting, which is kind of cool. So, and here are the instructions. That's basically pretty awesome. One of the pushes with these new routers was to make these as easy to install as possible. This is also something we saw with Cisco's new Valet routers, but Belkin did a nice job too. So I'll cover this up. What we have right here is we have our security. We have a pre-configured password. So right out of the box, you know what your password is. So I don't actually have to connect to this using a wired connection for my initial setup. I can do everything over wireless. The power cord is already installed, so if you're like a super basic user, you don't have to worry about that. On some models, I hear that they're going to put the Ethernet cable in there by default as well, but if not, modem. Like, it doesn't get much easier than that. Like I said, but the cool thing is that the password and all that are set up from right there. There's not a whole lot in the box. This isn't really going to be much of an unboxing. This is just your basic instructions. Really not much you want to use that for at this point. But you can install the local software, which you're probably going to want to do. I know some people aren't, but it's starting to be more of a compelling issue when you have a built-in torrenting tool and have the built-in video and music apps, which will help streaming your iTunes library over DLNA, to your Xbox 360 or something like that. The router itself, let's see if I can get this off without making a complete mess. So there's the router. It'll be upright, although you could, I believe this comes off here. You can take this off and look around. Really simple here. There's your WPS button, which, I guess people some people are still going to want that. You're probably not going to use that anymore. WPS never really worked out as well as everyone wanted. Hey, past that, just really simple, basic router. This is kind of a dark gray. On the back, we see modem, 4-point switch. Then we have the 2 USB slots with activity indicators, reset, and power. That's it. So Belkin Play Max wireless and router. You can check out Geek.com for the full review. We'll be giving it a run through, do some simple testing. But I went through all the basics here, and if everything works as planned, which it should, you should have a pretty good understanding of what this thing's going to do. So, yeah, this is Sal from Geek.com. Thanks for watching.